What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Turbo John YouTube channel. We're out here again. We're at Piedmont Dragway, Carolina No Time, first ever no prep race. Big tire class, small tire class, and street tire class. So today we're going to be racing in the small tire class. We should be having a drivers meeting here shortly. We just got out here. There's the one and only Peter Hayes.
I'm predicting me and John splitting in the finals.
Boom, I can deal with that. Peter is holding back on us. Peter is sharing a lot of information.
It's a poker game, driver. You can't show your face.
I'm just saying, Peter's like, my car ain't real fast.
You see them cars come out?
I don't believe you. So, look, put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
Have you seen them big tire cars go? Now that's fast.
Now they're fast. Now I agree. I don't disagree with that.
Mine is like the tortoise and the hare. You the hare and I'm the turtle.
Look, last night, same thing. I came out here and I heard you were like, I'm struggling. It went by at like 200 miles an hour. I was like, are you freaking kidding me?
Did you see it spinning?
And Peter was like, that was man, no.
It was scary.
But yeah, we're gonna have a good time today. But we're gonna work on mine. I've done and worked on it a little bit. Peter's giving me some advice. He's got some shock sensors on his car, so he was able to give me some advice. We got a good group out here helping out today. We got Happy, Zach, Randy, and Happy's brother and son. So what we have done to the car so far, first thing we done is on the video, the last video we done, I showed you where we were manipulating the cooler line pressure by that dump. And so we did that, but I'm opening a little bit sooner. I decided to do it about 0.3 of a second, so it's gonna hold open hopefully all the way through first gear. Another thing we just got done, see, we made a mess all over the track. What we normally run is this Castrol Blue hydraulic oil for transmission fluid. Something I was thinking about last night. I didn't even think about it until last night when I was on the way home. That is maybe tightening the converter up. So we just dumped 6 quarts of the Castrol Blue out and we put regular type F in it. So hopefully that's going to do okay. The other thing we done, Randy just got done. He swapped tires from left to right just because that's a good idea on slicks or radials anytime you're doing that. So they are switched back. And what Peter just gave me, some of his data, some of his information off of what he just had on his car. I'm gonna crawl under the back in a minute and make a shock setting. I'm gonna tighten the compression up just a little bit. So hopefully it'll be good, and we'll see. I don't know. It's gonna be fun regardless. I got a good hot tune-up in it. The track is hot. It's like 96 degrees out here today. So we're gonna have a good time. Let's check it out. Let's get some data, get some passes.
Hey, check this out. This is Discovery TV, little drive-by, trying to see what's going on over there.
Okay, so here we go. This is our first pass coming up. We got all these changes made. We'll see if it works out. Hopefully it does.
See, that's a problem. They're gonna hunt you down here with this plastic drive. See, that's a prime example of the power being ramped in there way too early.
Okay, so that didn't go exactly as I planned. That seemed to be a little hot. It tried to get out there and go kind of crazy. That was a little hot. It felt like it was trying to go.
Yeah.
I mean, I had a lot of tune-up in it though. A lot. I raised the launch RPM from 4,200 to 4,400 too. I was trying to hit the tire harder. It did. Did it try to pick up the front wheels? It felt like it did. It felt like it was trying to do a monster wheelie. All right, here we go. We're heading up here. We're going to get us a second shakedown. We got about an hour before first round for it. Push up here. We turn it down. I had the tune-up really hot. It tried to leave on like 10 pounds of boost. So it would, I mean, that's just not going to happen. 10 pounds of boost is not there. So we turned down to leave a little bit. We're going to let it bang quite as hard. And I turned the ramp down a little bit. All right, let's see what we got. So here we are, we're in the trailer. This is the pass from last night, my first one that actually went pretty decent. That second pass was better, but it still was not great at all. So we're going to put the other pass. That is the benefit of having good notes and good data loggers. I can duplicate this tune exactly, so that's what I'm going to do and go down first round. And it ain't going to be super fast, but hopefully it goes down. I mean, I haven't been down yet. If you don't go A to B, then you don't get anything. If you knock off the tires and you can't get down the track, then you have lost before you go. All right, so here we go. They're fixing to run big tire. We're running right behind them. We got about 25 minutes. It's cooling down, so we're ready to go. We got to race Steve Austin. It's in I think it's in a Mustang, they said. So we're gonna see how it goes. That was good. We got us our first round win. That's the first time in a long time we got a win. I don't know if Peter got the win or not. There goes Peter. Mine went down through, so I mean, I hope he got the win too. But that was a decent lead. Okay, so we got through the first round. Luckily, had a good time. That was close. That was fun. Super excited that we finally got us a first round win. We haven't had a win in a long time. Shifted the car, I pedaled it real fast, but it was just real quick. I don't know if I needed to or not. It wasn't a rocket by any means, but it did get down through there. So we're gonna leave it the same. And then kind of depending on who will draw, I'm taking my laptop with me to the staging lanes, but sometimes that'll bite you in the butt. So let's see what happens. Here we go, second round coming up.
Turbo John Phillips, right side. Russell Milner over here, left side out of Bedford, Virginia.
All right, guys, well, that wraps it up. We went out round number 2 today, but that's okay. We had fun, we had a blast, and we have a punch list of things we got to check off. That punch list, we got to check it off for next time, but we had fun. This was a great no prep race. This was the first one ever. We had a ball. This was a blast. We got a lot to learn. We got a lot to do. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com, get you some swag, get you some t-shirts. Hit that join button so you can get on our weekly chats. Later, see y'all.